Software development is a key driver for innovation throughout the global economy. From automobiles to cell phones, thermostats, and medical devices, software provides key differentiating capabilities. Software has played a key role in the greatest advances of the past decade, from the industrial Internet of Things to genetic sequencing, computer vision, robotic surgery, and autonomous vehicles. Looking forward, software development will continue to power innovation in products and services. Whether you are thinking about system, embedded, or application software development, chances are you need a framework to get it done. Luckily, Codebeamer supports all mainstream methodologies, starting with the waterfall model, which is a linear, sequential approach to software development where each phase is completed before moving to the next. V-model as an extension to the waterfall model where development and testing phases run in parallel. And finally, Agile, an iterative, flexible approach to software development that emphasizes collaboration, continuous feedback, and adapting to changes throughout the project lifecycle. Let's move to the tool demonstration where I will guide you through a simple use case, some high-level concepts to give you a better understanding of what Codebeamer really is about and how these things can be achieved. Codebeamer is a 100% browser-based tool and is highly configurable. Work is done inside projects or workspaces based on user groups. Your user group is going to define which elements of Codebeamer, like projects, you can access and what you can do inside said projects. Let's take the Agile Waterfall Hybrid project, for example. This is the landing or the wiki page. As this is one of our templates, here we describe some best practices and how-tos within our tool based on your selected development approach.